So, welcome to the Techie Rocket. And the question begins, what is word list? Where it's used? How to crack any password? How to crack your Wi-Fi? And the finalist thing is, we can do that thing by the list of all passwords that we call word list. On the internet, you can search a word list. You can get all types of txt files, ebook, there's so many type of word list. You can see. And word list has no limit. Like this dictionary word list, WPA, WPA2 password list. As you can see, this is 200 GB. 200 GB of word list. So you think the cracking the password is easy? No, that's not easy. You need it more higher. You can't think which higher. This 200 GB file is not enough for cracking any password. 200 GB is also not enough if the target has the strongest password. So, by being safe, you needed to create a password that is not found in any word list of the world. You needed to create that password. And the word list is what? Let me show. This word list is 112 GB. And we can, in the software, the word list has. Okay, there are so many software that we can crack the password. Okay, you know the process how to crack the password, but the end time is word list. You needed a word list to crack that password. You needed to give the location of your word list to that software. You needed to put the word list file location to the software that will crack your password for you, because you needed the password. And on the search the word list, so there are so many word lists. As we search word list torrent, so there are so many, and this is the word list of there's so many words you can't think. And in the clicking, as you can see, I think this word list is free, and this word list of 4.2 GB compressed of 15 GB. Maybe it's fake, but it can be real because they are only words, and words can compress so highly. And I recommend this word list, and in this site weakpassword.com/wordlist you can find all types of word list. You can download that types of word list so you can for your cracking the password. There's so many. List can't be finished. Oh my goodness. And you can download by watching the ratings. This weak password is 87491.54 megabyte. What do you think? This is the size so high, and the word list name is weak password. So you think you can crack any password by the word list of this site? You can't. You need the higher version of word list to cracking any password. You didn't expect on a single. You don't need to expect on a single word list. Weak password 2, and this is size of 28 gigabyte. There are two methods of downloading: direct link and torrent link. And that's the sample of word list, how the word list is actually being. That's good. By this, let me show. word list file location. As you can find it, if you are cracking the password, then you need to know what's word list. Okay, so thanks for watching my guys.